The EU General Court just ruled against Ursula von der Leyen. In order to understand why, you need to know that during the pandemic, Ursula von der Leyen, as the president of the European Commission, messaged the CEO of Pfizer, and in this text, it is possible that they directly negotiate the buying of COVID vaccines for billions of euros in contracts. Because of this possibility, the famous newspaper of New York Times asked the European Commission to make this text public. But the European Commission refused and said that actually the message is lost. Well, the New York Times took this to justice, and finally the EU General Court has ruled that the European Commission broke the law by refusing to release the famous text messages of Ursula von der Leyen. The court basically said that the citizens have the right to know how such massive deals are made, even if they are done over SMS. So now, what happens? Well, the European Commission has 2 months to appeal to the decision. So this means it might take a while to see these text messages over von der Leyen and the CEO of Pfizer. Of course, I don't want to end the video without bringing up something positive about this situation. And this is the fact that we live in a place, the European Union, where a court rule against the president of the European Commission is a good sign for our democracy and shows that separation of powers between executive, legislative, and judicial still exists. But do you think Ursula von der Leyen is guilty or not? Let me know in the comments below.